Good afternoon. You're listening to 100.9 The Cross, and this afternoon I'll be talking with Heath Worriax about the Mechatronics program at Robeson Community College in Lumberton, North Carolina. Did you know that it is possible for you to earn a 2-year Mechatronics degree in Robeson County? Well, it's possible. Robeson Community College offers this degree in Mechatronics, which features artificial intelligence, robotics, industry automation, and programmable logic. Let's learn more about this program from Heath and say good afternoon. How are you, sir?
I'm doing well. How about you?
I'm doing good, thanks. Thank you for taking time to be with us today. And as we begin, Heath, could you tell us more about Mechatronics and what it entails?
The future is mechatronics. It's a high-tech with a big paycheck, and today's students at Robeson Community College are busy learning about the tools of the trade for the industry of tomorrow, for the shift to maximize productivity and increase sustainability. Although mechatronics sounds like something you may have seen on Back to the Future, it's actually a branch of engineering that brings together multiple disciplines, mechanical, electrical, computer, and robotics engineering, to connect different stages of design and production processes in a single streamlined system. So we work with robotics, AI, PLCs, and industry automation. And probably the biggest thing about mechatronics that I want people to know is it's a lot of fun. Our students enjoy learning about the different elements that go into mechatronics. We learn everything from how to assemble and build the mechanical equipment, and then after that, how do we automate the equipment. Our program is very hands-on. Our program prepares students for the workforce in mechanical, electrical, and artificial intelligence. Students also learn about the different types of machinery and equipment, and then they get to troubleshoot the components of the systems. Mechatronics is everywhere that you look. It's involved in the assembly line that creates cars, that fills cans of soup. It's involved with the automation of how grocery stores are becoming smart stores with express checkouts. It's programmable logic that tells the machine what to do when you press a button or voice command. If you look at a company like Amazon, the distribution and warehouse, the logistics, and a lot of how that works is because there's someone who understands all these principles of mechatronics, and they are working behind the scenes, creating the automation, troubleshooting the machinery that goes down, and using PLCs to create the AI necessary to make systems work. Some of our classes include intro to automation, industrial safety, diagrams and schematics, computer-aided design, instrumentation, control systems, robotics and CIM, and there's even a class in welding to give you a well-rounded, diverse experience and skill set. There's no need for any prior experience necessary. We'll teach you everything you need to know.
Well, I'm talking this afternoon with Heath Worriax. And Heath, what is the expected salary range for someone who holds a degree in mechatronics?
Most of our graduates can start out around $20, $25, and some even $35 depending upon the position that they take. Mechatronics is a growing field in the United States. There's high demands for these specialized skill sets, but they're also considered a multi-craft technician. Our students have endless opportunities as they graduate as to which direction they could go in. It's a very diverse field. Some students actually choose to go to a 4-year college and actually get their engineering or ABET engineering degree, and those students are so far have been very successful in that opportunity.
So mechatronics really is high-tech and offers a big paycheck. I understand that Robeson Community College has students in the mechatronics program who have won a number of awards. Could you tell us about that, please?
Yes, the mechatronics program, they did put Robeson Community College on the map for excellence in mechatronic engineering. We had 2 teams that competed at the state level in mechatronics for the last 2 years, and we brought home the gold in 2022 and 2023, and we actually have that coming up a little bit later on in the month of April. It's very competitive. It requires the students to put everything they know from wiring to troubleshooting to complete assembly, and they are based on for their efficiency. It's a great opportunity, and the students who have competed in the competition have gained several advantages by adding those to their ability to get hired. Last year we had 2 students, Jeremiah Locklear and Angel Santiago, place second in the national competition mechatronics category. They was able to bring home the silver, and it was a just great opportunity for it. In 2022, we had Jonathan Gabino and Alan Estranoza place 4th in the nationals. Again, this is a major accomplishment not only for the students but also for what RCC has in Robeson County and the state of North Carolina. To understand that our program is producing champions, it's a privilege to be part of that as far as I'm concerned.
Very good. Well, could you tell us about some of the jobs that are available to those with a 2-year mechatronics degree?
Well, we actually have several students who actually have become employed before they even graduated. The job opportunities they have include industrial maintenance, manufacturing, assembly, testing, startup, troubleshooting, repair, process improvement, control systems. Some students go into the robotics very heavily. Some students have went into the PLC side, the engineering tech, and even research. Mechatronics brings across a diverse skill set that, usually a student goes and follows what they enjoy best. So, such as Angel Santiago, he is currently a controls technician, and he just enjoys PLC.
This afternoon, I'm talking with Heath Worriax from Robeson Community College about mechatronics. And if someone listening is interested, but maybe they can't commit to a full 2-year program, are there other options at Robeson Community College?
Oh, yes, we have plenty of options. We have a total of 1 associate's degree in mechatronics, 1 diploma in mechatronics, and 9 certifications. The certifications the last 2 have not been posted yet, but they have been approved and they're just waiting to get it posted on the website.
Now, if someone listening is interested in more information about the mechatronics program at Robeson Community College, how do they get that information?
If they want to come check us out, they can come see our admissions office in Building 13 and the Student Center, or they can reach by email at admissions@robeson.edu or 910-272-3342. There is also a Request More Information tab on the top of our website, www.robeson.edu. They can go there also. And if they have any questions or concerns about filling out the application or FAFSA or registering for classes, they can actually come to campus and someone on campus will help them get it done. And of course, if they would like a tour of our facilities in my area, in the mechatronics area, they can contact me at hworriax@robeson.edu or 910-272-3469.
Well, as we wrap things up this afternoon, Heath, is there anything else that you'd like to say before we go?
We're currently getting ready for the summer of 2024 and the fall semester. The summer classes start May the 20th, and they can show up and take some of their general education credits, such as public speaking, ENG 111, or Math 171. And if they do that, during the summertime, that lessens the load that they'll have in the other semesters.
Well, I've been talking with Heath Worriax this afternoon, the program director at RCC for Mechatronics. And Heath, I hope you have a great day. Thank you for taking time to be with us this afternoon.
Oh, yes, sir. I hope you have a great one also.